So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to have dark display settings turned on KOHO Financial. So once the KOHO app is opened up, go to the top left hand side of your screen and press on the profile icon. Once you're on this page right here where it says account settings sort of in the middle, below explore plans, select that. Then down below where it says display, so second from the bottom, select that. And then to change your display settings from light to dark, just pretty straightforward. Make sure that dark is selected. And then your screen background should be dark, or in this case, sort of like a black color. But pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to have dark display settings turned on the KOHO Financial application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.